Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get a free certification and course for the lead auditor certified ISO IEC 27001 and 2022. So step by step process we'll go through that, and in this we'll get a strong foundation regarding the understanding the history of the ISO standard and certification, how audit really works, and clarity on the standard. So clarity on the standard. So learn about the ISO IEC 27001-2022, its scope, its structure, and how to interpret its requirements. So implementation mastery and define ISMS, that is the Information Security Management System. Scope performance series analysis, create a statement of ability SOA, and plan interval audit. So audit planning and execution. So this is the discover audit team roles and build an annual program, audit program, and the experience opening meeting, evidence gathering, closing meetings, and reporting and certification decision. So final exam and certification. This will tackle the final exam and step and confidently into your role as a certified ISO 27001 as a lead auditor. So you can become a 27001 lead auditor. So why this course is stand out? So there is a self-paced learning is there, practical focus is there. So why should we join? So inspiring lead auditor preparing the ISO 27001 lead auditor exam. So information security professional aiming the senior ISMS or audit roles. So consultant, manager, internal auditor seeking a structure roadmap to the mastering ISO 27001 2022 and audit practices. So this is the pros. Why should we join? This is the reason. So this is the URL. You can go through the URL and we'll go through the step by step process to achieve this. So open browser, just paste the URL. So there is a 27001 lead auditor is a live up your level up your knowledge and become a mastermind. So self-paced certification course and exam. So this is the enroll option is there. There is 8 chapters and 35 lessons are there. You can get all the thing, expand all the chapters. So you can get basic understanding the ISMS and mastering mastermind. So you have to complete one by one. When you will complete one, it will become unlock. So at last you can see the exam preparation and instruction. So exam will be the ISO IEC 27001 2022 lead auditor exam will be there. So enroll now. So this is the free. So now you can put your information. So click on sign up. So complete the sign up. I'm putting my this one. So click on next. So verifying you are a woman. This is a cloud fair. So go to the dashboard. Okay, this is sorry not completed. So let me complete this. Put your just insert your input your company name, job title, and click on next. So welcome back, Chitranjan Mahto, and this is the course. So 27,001 to 2, 27,001 to 2. So just start the course and complete all the videos. At last, you will get a final exam. Okay. So go through the step-by-step process. So achieve this one ISO IEC 27001 and 2022 lead auditor. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching. So all the step we have completed, disclaimer is there. So you can connect with the social media links is there and follow the process exactly as shown in the video. Share this YouTube with tutorial with your friends and colleagues and drop your question in the YouTube comment. So I'll reply it and subscribe to Chirag tutorial for free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.